So in this question, we're subtracting polynomials with two variables instead of just one. So note that our two variables here are a and b. And let's also make sure we know what our like terms are. So here we have a and b and a and b. So those two will be like terms. And notice we also have an a squared b and a b squared a. These are actually like terms because a squared b is equal to b a squared. If you have 4 times 3, that's the same as saying 3 times 4. This is because both of these will give you 12. Doesn't matter which order we have the 4 and the 3. Same thing here. A squared b is the same as b times a squared. Okay, moving back to the question. So now that we have our like terms and our variables, let's continue with this question. So here we have, we're going to want to subtract off each of the terms in our second polynomial from our first. So we have 4a squared b minus 2ab plus 3, and then subtracting each of the terms in the second polynomial as follows. N minus a 2ba squared. And notice here we have our two negatives, which we will want to change to addition here. Just cleaning this up and grouping like terms. There are no other like terms. And now you can see that the like terms are grouped. And now the next step would be to combine the like terms. 4 minus 2 gives us a 2a squared b. Now we could have written the b before the a squared, either way is fine. And then a minus 2 plus 5 gives you a positive 3ab. And the last few terms we just write on the end here. And this would be your final answer. Now you might have had something a little different where each of these terms were in different orders, and that's still fine. So for instance, if you had 3ab plus 2a squared b minus 6b plus 3 minus 8a squared, that's still okay. All we've done is just reordered these terms here.